You don't need shoes.
Oh my goodness.
We're going live.
Look at this. This is Mavis. Mavis, the Wonder Dog,
Isn't that cute?
is here along with Dave Stahl. Good morning, Andy.
Good morning.
I'm Elizabeth. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mavis, the Wonder Dog.
Yeah, we're excited to be here.
And you're probably wondering, what are we doing here? Check this out.
Look
Check this
at
out.
this.
Right out there.
Imagine
Look
if,
at this.
imagine if you, you know, the McKinnons want to do advertising.
All right.
How cool is that?
You get a couple of these really hot rod scooters. You go running around all over San Diego County.
San
Every
Diego
time.
sidecar. That's what we're talking about this morning. Look at this.
Is that a trip?
Oh my goodness, I love this.
Well, the reason I brought him in is because I ran into Andy and I just said, you know what a great way to get the word out about your
business.
product, your
Yeah.
business, your car show, your charity event,
Sure.
you know, whatever it may be. And he's got a fleet of these guys. Look at this one right here. This is a
oh
cool
my
one too.
gosh.
You know, so if you wanted somebody that felt a little bit more protected, they could get inside this little canopy.
So we're talking, okay, rewind a little bit. Are these for people or are these for your pets?
These
Or
are
both?
Well, this is really something he put together, and he does run his pet Mavis.
Gotcha. Okay, so
in each
right
and
now
every
they're
one
kind
of
of
them.
set up for like the pets, right, Andy?
Andy, so tell us exactly what was the concept. I mean, is this for people
Yeah,
or
tell
for
us
pets?
about San
Okay.
Diego Sidecar.
Absolutely. It's a new company that I've started, and the whole thing centered around my bulldogs that I've owned now and in the past, and I've always ridden sport bikes and wanted them to be able to go with me, but they never could.
Yeah.
I was in the shower one day, because I've always had normal sidecars, regular-looking sidecars.
Uh-huh.
I was in the shower one day, and I thought of the idea of making them out of the different shapes and forms that you see today, and
Oh my gosh.
she seems to love the attention that they get, and
Look at, hi Mavis.
Mavis has not moved. She's happy as a clam.
know.
I basically want to make them to sell to the public. And another time in a trip in the shower, I thought of the idea of advertising with them to gain the
Okay.
capital. And so far, it's been a great success. And
Wow, what
I just want you to know, when
unique
Mavis
cycles.
rides, she wears her helmet.
She wears, look at this.
Because
little-
Mavis knows that safety first. You
Of
don't be
course.
riding around out there
Of
without a
course.
helmet.
So, she's obviously in like a little
Ferrari. Thank you very much.
F-U-R-R.
your side-
Ferrari.
Yeah,
So-
F-U-R-R.
Oh, Ferrari.
Get it?
Thank
Get
you.
it? Get it?
So this is interesting, Andy. So we're talking unique sidecars, and with that also being able to advertise, like
So,
if you
yeah,
have a business or a
absolutely.
product, that it goes hand in hand.
So what do
You
you
bet.
actually do? Let's say I want you to advertise my radio shows today, 1 to 4 on KCBQ. Get it? Plug.
I
Did you
will
get it? Get that?
have a 3x2 banner printed up, and
Okay.
I can hand out flyers. I can
And
run
where do
a
you go?
designated route of
Uh-huh.
your choice.
Okay.
I'm a San Diego native, so I have a good idea of the layout of the land, and
Uh-huh.
I can have my input if you wish to hear it. And the amount of attention that they get, it's a no-brainer. It's a
Sure.
good money spent. You know, best bang for your buck in terms
Yeah.
of marketing your company.
Mm-hmm.
How
Folks
many,
just
how many
instantly
scooters
pull
do you
out
have? How many other scooters do you have?
Oh, I have 4 scooters right now, as you see here, but I have other sidecars
Sure.
that I
So
can
people,
attach.
so people rent them from you? Is that what they do?
No,
Or you,
what
or
I'm doing is I'm
you're
renting
riding.
myself out with
You.
my dog.
And don't forget Mavis.
And we go out in the town, and people tend to instantly pull out their phones and take pictures.
Obviously,
And
yeah.
that instantly goes up on their Facebook, as you can imagine, and all their billboards are sent
Sure.
out through the masses. So it
You
works
got
out really
social
well.
media coming out of your.
There you
How
go.
do we find out about you?
SDsidecar.com. I
Here,
repeat,
look at this one.
SDsidecar.com.
You sound like Mavis.
What a unique concept, Andy. And it all,
thank
you were in
you.
the shower and you're like, this,
You know, somebody
kinda
had-
seems like a great idea.
There you go. Somebody had told me it's because I'm a Pisces that I think of things in the shower.
Is that what it, there you
You
go.
know, I'm not sure, but
Yeah,
I'm a clean guy.
Oh my gosh. And Mavis is a bulldog. Mavis the Wonder Dog.
We'll get our camera
Yeah,
guy
she
to get
loves
that
to
little
ride.
advertising sign, so if somebody does want to write down the phone
Well,
number,
these
they
are
can do
really,
that.
really cool. And where,
Thank you.
you're just in the San Diego area, or?
Yeah, we're out of La Mesa,
Okay.
and I have a large enclosed trailer, so we're able to go anywhere.
Yeah.
And yeah, that'll spin as it goes down the road.
I love
Sure.
that. I
You got
love
the
it.
plane here, and I look at the
I have a
double-decker
biplane
bus.
too. That's pretty neat. That
It's
is
like-
a
is it like a double-decker?
I had to do it. She's a British bulldog, so the British double decker was kind
Mavis insisted.
of, yeah.
I love
And
it.
you know how Mavis is. She didn't even have a dog driving.
Mavis, the one.
So anyways, I want to
Look
bring
at-
these guys
we're
in.
We're all just
You
so
just like
in love
Mavis,
with
huh?
Mavis.
You
so
just like Mavis.
This is brilliant. Your business is
Well,
brilliant.
thank you
Best
very
of luck
much.
to you. Thanks for dropping by. What we'll do is we'll put all of your information and a recap of all of this on our website, KUSI.com. How are you, Dave Stahl?
I'm doing
this holiday
wonderful.
weekend.
Just having
Busy
a great
selling cars and doing all sorts of other
working,
stuff.
doing radio today. Just gonna have a good time. But I'm off tomorrow.
Okay. Well, enjoy.
Well, sort of, kind of.
Enjoy. We'll be back.